Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm gonna show you how to make a video of yourself as a much older person by using CapCut. So if you guys didn't know, there is an old age effect that can be used to make yourself looks like a much older person, and here I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you need to head to the effects menu and then click on the body effects. Okay, so now that in on the trending tab you can easily see the age effect in here, but if you can't find it on the trending, you can just swipe until you find the roll tabs or roll category. Okay, so this is the age effect, so you can just click on that effect and wait for it to apply to your clip, and just like that, now you looks like a much older person. So I'm going to show you the before and after. This is the before and here is the after with the effect like this. Okay, so you can see the difference now. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.